Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. It is Thursday, May 13th. Give everybody a minute here to log on. I'm not sure why it's taking so long today to get logged on to our video. I think I just heard it. So I am live. Hello, there we go. Everybody is joining me. Happy hour cocktail time with Jamie. We're just opening and some people are walking in. So give everybody a few minutes to log in here. Happy Thursday to everybody. It is a beautiful day. Get out there, get out and walk. A couple of shout outs to our friends out there. Happy birthday to my very good friend Tammy. Hope you're having an awesome day. Happy birthday to my aunt yesterday. Those of you that caught our Facebook Live this morning, we are on our way back from Buffalo. We went to go see Justin's team play in Canisius. So they had a doubleheader yesterday against St. Peter's. They played awesome. The first game I think was like 20-7 or 20-11, something like that. And the second game was 21-0. Canisius won. Hopefully they will get home field advantage for the playoffs, which will start next week. And let's see. So if you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. We appreciate everybody's support. Get out there, get some fresh air. It's absolutely beautiful out. And today is our $9.99 special this week is burgers. So any of our burgers from our menu, including our chickpea burger, are $9.99 to go. And then Sunday, our takeout order, $9.99 is shrimp scampi with rice. So in the meantime, let's see, I'm gonna get started. I am going to be making a Mezcal, smokeless Mezcal, old fashioned. So the way they make this smoked Mezcal is they use the same agave, but they're using no wood. So this is a smokeless Mezcal, same agave, no wood, so it doesn't have that smoky flavor, but this is awesome. Super excited to make this. Marcus and I had a drink like this in Buffalo last night. It was really cool, wanted to try it. So I'm going to add 3 filthy cherries. The way you typically make an old fashioned is with bourbon or rye. And you take cherries and oranges, and we're going to use some blood oranges, and we are going to muddle that all together. And you could use bitters. Sometimes I put bitters in it if you request it, sometimes I don't. I'm going to add some bitters, but I muddle that all together, mash it all up. Thanks everybody for joining me. I see lots of people joining me right now. So thank you, I welcome. Hello Linda, hello Carol, hello Robert. Nice to see you. I'm gonna add a couple of bitters to my old fashioned. And smash that up a little bit more, muddle it together. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of this smokeless Mezcal. What we had last night was a Mezcal with it was smoked.
All Mezcal is smoked for like a week.
So Marcus is going to tell you a little bit more. As most of you already know, I am not the detail person. He is when it comes to all that information. He knows a little bit more.
So for Mezcal, they dig a pit, and they throw the agave heads in the piñas. They throw them in this pit. They put charcoal in there, some wood. They cover it up. They cover it with dirt and a tarp, and put a smokestack in the center. And a week later, you have this agave, the agave heads that have been in direct contact with the smoke, and cooking it nice and slow, which is why it's so smoky. So this producer believes that trees are precious and that he doesn't want to use more trees, and so he makes a smokeless one, steaming it the same varietals of agaves. A lot of people don't like because it's too smoky Mezcal, so this is the Mezcal to start with.
This is no smoke at all.
No smoke, but it's different than tequila.
It is different.
Totally different than tequila.
It needs a little bit of something in that drink though. Just needs a splash of something.
It's strong.
Maybe some cherry juice. Maybe a little. It's a very strong drink. I'm gonna add a little more cherry juice to it. Oh, you know what I didn't put in here? Now I know. Agave. I didn't put any agave in my old fashioned, and nobody reminded me. I made a mistake. See that? So I'm gonna add a little agave. I'm gonna mix that up in there. Let's see if that makes a difference. I forgot you put agave. I got a little
Or sugar if you're
or sugar.
traditional sugar.
Sorry, I got a little mix up there when people were walking in the door. Kind of threw me for a loop. Oh yeah, that's better. A little strong, but better. So.
Oh, that's really
Yeah,
good.
that's really
That's
good.
really
So, thanks everybody for joining me. Lots of
Did you
new
show 'em the
faces
label?
on today. Oh yeah, I kind of showed you the label. This is the smokeless mezcal I'm using. Viejo Indecente. I don't know how you say it actually, but that sounds really good. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Robert. Hello, Todd. Hello, Joel. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I'm going to sign off because we have people walking in the door. I don't like to be in here without my mask on. I don't want people to see me without my mask on when they're in here. I want to be respectful. But this is new. Naked Flock lemon ginger cider in cans just came in. I'm sure we're going to put some out on the shelf.
I think you should do a mule tomorrow with that.
Tomorrow I will make a lemon ginger mule with this. Maybe bourbon, maybe vodka. I don't know. We'll taste a couple different things. Everybody have an awesome night, and I will see everybody tomorrow for my Friday happy hour. Have a good night, everybody.